Hi everybody, in this videos I am going to show you how you can create free AWS account. You need email ID, phone number and then you need a debit card or credit card for creating free AWS account. If you are a United States citizens or any other country citizens, then AWS will charge maximum $1 from your debit card or credit card. If you are an Indian citizen, then AWS will charge maximum Indian currency 2 rupees. So let's start. Now go to any browsers and just search sign up for free AWS account, and then you have to click on that sign up for free AWS account. So once you will click, it will open. So this is the official website of AWS. Just click on that, create a free AWS account. So once you will click, it will open. This is the first step. You have to use email address here, and then you have to select name for your AWS account, and then you have to click on that verify email address, and then you will get OTP on your email address for verifying the next step. After fill all this data, your email address and AWS account name, you have to click on that verify email address. Now you have to use verification code here that you got in your email address. So just write verification code here, and then you have to click on that verify for the next step. Now you can see that your email ID has been successfully verified. Now you can select password for your AWS account. So you have to use your password here. You have to select password. Then you have to confirm your root user password and then click continue for the next step. Now in this step, you have to select your contact information. So what purpose you want to make this account, either it's a business account or a personal account. So I will creating this account for personal usage. So if you want to create for business, then you have to select businesses. Then you have to fill all your data, full name and country code, phone number, and then you have to select your country or region, and then you have to fill all this address line, city, state, postal code, and then you have to confirm this, read and agree to the terms of AWS, and then you have to click continue for the next step. Now in this step, you have to fill your billing information. So suppose I am from India, then I have to select my billing country India. Then you can use your credit or debit card number, and then expiration date and years, and then you have to use CVV as well as cardholder name. And if you want, you can also save this card for your future faster payment. If you don't want, just leave it. And then you have to select your billing address that you used in the last step. If you want, you can also select use a new address and add on it. If you have a PAN card, so if you are Indian, then you have to use your PAN card. If you have, you can select yes and use your you have to fill your PAN card number here. If you don't have, just select no, and then you have to click on verify and continue for the next step. Now you have to enter OTP that you got in your phone number. Once you have to write your OTP here, and after that you have to click on that submit button. So you have to write OTP and click submit. Now in this step you have to confirm your identity, like what purposes you want to create this account. So you have to select what are the primary purposes you want to create this account. So you can select either it's a personal use, business operation, product development. So I just select personal uses. Now you have to select for what purposes. It's a individual account, company based account, or whatever is your requirement, you have to select according to that. So I just selected individual. Then if you are from India, then you have to whatever document you have, you can select that's a PAN, driving license. So I just select that PAN numbers. So you can select whatever document you have. Then you have to use you have to write date of birth here there, and then you have to write your PAN card. Then click confirm and click continue for the next step. Now in this step, you need to verify your phone number. So you have to select your country code, and then you have to write your phone number. So either you want to send text or you want to get call from AWS to confirm your identity. Then you have to select your country, and then you have to write your phone number. Then you have to use your security check, this bottom in the last type characters. After that you have to click on that send SMS, and you have to verify OTP in the next step. Just send SMS. Now we have to verify with your code and click continue for the next step. So you have to use your OTP and then click on continue for next step. Now this is the final step for creating free AWS account. So this is a support plan. You have to select your support. Either it's a free, and if you will select developer support, then you have to pay $29 per month. And if you will select business support, then you have to pay $100 per month. There are another options. If you want to get support as an enterprise level from AWS, then you can select enterprise level support. For that you have to contact AWS. So I will select basic support and click on that complete sign up. So we have to click on complete sign up. So after that you can see that your account has been successfully created. Now you can practice AWS services, and you can become master on AWS. So this is all about creating free AWS account. You can create with the step by step, and it's a very easy to create. So you have to create, and once it will be create, you can start practice AWS and each and every time whenever you want. So you have to start practice. After creating successfully account on AWS, you can explore by logging into your AWS Management Console, and you can explore this AWS Management Console homepage. So this is the console home where you can explore about the AWS services, and in the AWS services section you can use whatever services you want to use. So this is all about creating AWS free account.